Welcome to Veloz Automotive Channel. 2018 Ford Mustang. The Mustang was redesigned for 2015, featuring an independent suspension to replace the live axle in the rear end, and introducing a turbocharged 4-cylinder in addition to the V6 and V8 engines. Actually, it was a return of the 4-cylinder turbo, but since the original was decades ago and ahead of its time, and not particularly successful except as a pioneer, it almost doesn't count. Like it did 50 years ago, the Mustang comes as a fastback coupe, convertible, and high-performance Shelby 350 GT. It's still a 2+2 at heart, although now it's nearly as big as a midsize Ford Fusion, at 188.3 inches long on a 107.1-inch wheelbase. That gives it far more interior room than its arch-rival the Chevrolet Camaro. That said, calling it a 2+2 might be generous, as only two small people can fit in the rear. The 2017 Mustang hasn't changed much since its introduction as a 2015 model, remaining the best Mustang ever performance. The V8 is almost the opposite, with the lovely sound that's suppressed behind a thick wall of sound deadening. We miss hearing the sweet note. The sleek insulated top on the Mustang convertible soaks up a lot of road noise, and that's a good thing. Outward visibility is better than might be expected for a car shaped like this. There are blind spots, but if you turn your head, the rear glass exposes enough. Okay, that's it all for 2018 Ford Mustang review. See you guys on the next episode Cars Video Review. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.